In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Meshy AI for Make UGC. To follow along smoothly, have a Roblox account ready, access to Meshy AI, and some basic Roblox Studio knowledge. Blender is recommended so you can polish your models before bringing them into Studio. Start by opening the Meshy AI official website and signing in. On the home page, choose whether you want text to 3D or image to 3D. Text to 3D is great if you can describe exactly what you want, while image to 3D helps when you already have a clear visual reference. Type a detailed prompt that tells Meshy exactly what to make for Roblox. For example, you might write cute white bunny hat for Roblox avatar, stylized cartoon design, low poly, clean topology. For hair, you could try anime black fluffy hairstyle for Roblox avatar, stylized, game ready. For a shoulder pet, something like tiny dragon shoulder pet for Roblox UGC, cute fantasy style works well. Specific wording like low poly, stylized, and game ready helps Meshy produce models that are friendly for Roblox performance. Before generating, set Meshy's options for a Roblox workflow. Choose a stylized or cartoon style, set the polygon count to low or medium, enable textures, and turn symmetry on for hats and hair so both sides match. Then click Generate and let Meshy build the model. When it's ready, click Download and export as FBX, OBJ, or GLB. FBX is usually the smoothest for Roblox Studio, so use that when possible and keep your files clearly named. Open the model in Blender for quick cleanup. Reduce polygons if needed, remove any floating or hidden geometry, resize the model to a reasonable avatar scale, delete unnecessary faces that won't be visible, repaint or tweak textures if they need a touch-up, and fix UV maps so textures line up correctly. This pass keeps your item lightweight and clean. Now prepare for Roblox UGC standards. Accessories must fit Roblox avatar proportions. Common categories include hats, hair, glasses, shoulder pets, and back accessories. Use official avatar reference rigs from the Roblox Creator Hub so your item aligns correctly. In Roblox Studio, create a new project, open Asset Manager, choose Bulk Import, and bring in your FBX. Add the required attachments in Studio such as hat attachment, hair attachment, or face front attachment. These define how your accessory snaps onto the avatar. Test on an avatar using Avatar Setup and the Accessory Fitting tool. Adjust position, rotation, and scale until it fits naturally. When everything looks good, make sure you have ID verification, the right creator permissions, and if required, premium. Upload through the Roblox Creator dashboard. Before you go, remember the best Meshy prompt tips. Clearly state the style, shape, and color. Use Roblox-friendly terms like low poly, game ready, and stylized, and keep your description precise for the best results.